Hello.
Everyone. Hi Seema. Hi Rashna. Hi Himali.
Hi everyone. Listen, girls, you have to put your audio and video both on.
Yeah,
Yes.
Let me try again.
We have to see you all. Otherwise, you all are not going to win any prizes.
That's the #1 criteria.
Correct. Everyone's got to be visible. And please don't worry. No one's going to judge you all.
Hi Himali.
Hi,
I can see you
Himali.
now.
Hi.
Where's Ashtha? Hi Mrunali.
Hi.
Guys, I'll just request you all, if you want, you can keep yourself on mute after talking, because so we can, for the time being, and afterwards, as in when you want to talk, you can always unmute yourself. Hi Rashna, I can see you in purple. I can see a lot of resemblance between the dupatta, which, oh my God, Pratiksha has a purple lipstick on. I love it. That's what I'm seeing.
Oh my
Interesting.
God. Meaning,
That's
Even with
amazing.
me.
Thanks so
Yeah.
much. Yeah, you guys have really taken it so well and so seriously. Yeah. I
Fantastic.
really like the sporting spirit. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely. I am just going to go live on Facebook now.
Yeah.
So allow me a minute, please.
Ladies, we're going Facebook Live as well, okay?
Okay.
So all the men can who are missing the fun can have a look at it, and all the women can be here and win prizes. That's the whole idea. Okay. So, like we said, we won't allow anyone to be without, they have to switch on the camera. So whoever is off camera, please come live now.
Deepti, Archana, Pranita, please put your cameras on.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go live stream. We're going to go live on Facebook in a bit.
Which page are you going to go live?
It's a remarkable Rima's page.
Okay, the remarkable one. Yeah,
Yes, not remarkable. Actually, it's Rima's page itself directly.
Oh.
Hi, Trishala. Hi, Dipti. So we have Pearl as well. We'd like to especially thank Pearl, and actually Pearl's father, Rumi, is the one who got us Taj vouchers. So, but since he cannot be a part of it, Pearl is a part of it. Hi, Kuncholada, how are you?
Hi, Sawadika, how are you?
Sawadika.
Sawadika, very nice meeting you again.
So nice to see you.
Yeah.
Happy Women's Day to everyone.
Yes, to everyone. Thank you so much.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy.
I'm so glad to see so many smiling faces. It's so nice to have.
And I have purples also, see?
Yes.
Yes.
You're surrounded by purples. Okay. Rima also in.
So we've got Rima as well now.
Yes.
We've got Sunita as well.
Hi, Sunita.
So Sunita is telling me she's not going to play any games, which is not allowed. She's better going to play games.
Sunita is just being too modest and too shy. You will get to see her real self now. In the next 2 minutes.
No.
Great. I think Seema is finding some difficulty coming in, so we will just wait for her to join. And guys, we will just wait for some time. But in the meantime, I'll be really glad if you can just add your name as well as the company you are from, because some of you are new faces and we would love to know you better. So for example, Himali, Mrunali, if you can also write your name and the company that you are from, it'll be lovely. We'll all get to know each other.
Now put it on the chat if possible.
Yes.
My name is Himali. Okay.
You can put it on chat, Himali.
Okay.
Okay, Seema's here, I think. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, everyone.
Seema, I see a red instead of a purple.
No,
No,
but
I was told
Was
about
it?
the purple in the morning. So
Yeah.
when I came to office, I already had the red.
Oh, we wanted to keep that at the last minute.
Yeah, but I have some purple.
Fantastic.
Yes, gold.
Yeah.
I have to shift.
Yeah. You have to hold it. You guys have to hold it all the time, okay? So we
Okay, like that. I'll keep it in my lap now.
So Nikita is going to be the judge. So you
Yeah.
better show off your best of purples.
yeah. Great. All right.
Nice to see
So
so
we have so many of us. So nice to see all smiling faces. I'm going to take a picture. Guys, you can, and at the same time, I'll request Tishala also to take a picture. Guys, let's have a foot forward or the best finger forward or any way you want to portray yourself. But let's just go for a picture now.
Oh,
Say cheese.
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 Fantastic. Are you done too? Are we on the frame? Yes. For some reason, I think Facebook Live is taking a bit of a time. Oh, yes, we are already live. I'm sorry. Great. We will wait for some time before we get started.
I think another 5 more minutes and then
Yes.
we can
We have some amazing surprise for you. So that will be bought in by Rima. So before we get started with that, we will just wait for a few more to come in. And yeah, in the meanwhile, let us go to the chat and figure out where is Mrinali from. Mrinali is from Shanchuchin vacation. Sorry, have I spelled it right? Mrinali, you can unmute yourself. Shanuchin, sorry. And then Siddhi is from Travel Planners. Mridu Manocha is ex-Taj. Okay, fantastic. Great. So, guys, Rashna, Tishala, Seema and all, for them to know you, you can also put in where you are from. So it'll be easier for them to know where you are from. Okay, we have Pinky and Kashish also joining in. Hi, Pinky. Hi, Kashish. Please come on camera so we can see you.
Rima, we've got to see you, babe.
Yes. Rima, you are on mute. Rima, you are on mute.
Rima.
Hi guys. Hi. No, can you put me or can you send me a link so that I come onto the laptop because I'm on my phone. I can't do it with the laptop.
I shall do that.
Is it possible?
Yes, I shall do that.
So great, guys. It's such a pleasure. As I keep saying, when we meet as women, it's always a happy treat. And it's and it's always so positive. So positive.
So good to see so many familiar faces after ages.
Yes. And Purvi, I did my purple. Okay, look, purple.
Super.
My daughter's shocked to say, I've never seen, Mama, what is this ekdam dhinchak disco dress of yours?
It's okay.
You know, Rima, everyone has tried their best to wear purple, etc. But Women's Day is all about self-love, right? You all agree to that. And
yes, totally.
And I am the judge. So you know who I'm judging. I'm judging because I've worn purple. My nails are painted purple. so that's exactly what's going to happen.
So, Nikita, you're not entitled to any prizes, okay?
Purvi
That's so bad.
Nikita,
yeah.
My guest is waiting to be let in. Huh?
Sure, okay. Sure. Before that, I would just like to. Okay. Yes. What her name is Kamal, right?
Yes.
Perfect. We also have Vishaka with us. We'll just wait for them to join in. Okay. Rima, I sent you the link as well. So the link and you can come on your laptop.
Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day. Hi, Vishaka. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you all too.
Okay.
Hey, Vimy. Hi.
Hi, Seema.
Who else? I'm trying to figure out all the familiar faces.
Hi,
Hey,
Sunita.
hi, Anju.
Hi, Seema. Hi, Vimy.
Hi, Sunita.
Hi.
Hey,
Hi.
hi.
Great,
Nice. So
guys.
nice to see everybody after such a long time.
Hi, Rashna.
Great. So before we get started, I'd just like to, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thanks. I would like to thank everyone for being a part of this. And I'd like to extend special thank you to Tourism Authority of Thailand for sponsoring the prizes, Los Angeles Tourism and Convention for sponsoring the prizes, Rima for being a media partner from Remarkable, and also getting our special guest today. I'd also like to thank Taj Santa Cruz Mumbai for giving away exciting prizes. They have vouchers for us, and the first voucher is a one-night stay at Taj Santa Cruz. The second voucher is a meal for two, and that is based on the makeup that we've done, the shiny faces, the more smiles that we'll be showing, we'll be emitting at this point. So please, guys, don't mind my voice because I'm in a crazy state, but I would not miss this for the world. So I decided I'll take that effort and I'll come and join you guys. So I would also like to extend my special thank you and to Mr. Rory Furtado from Prime Entertainers, because he was the one to initiate and assist in discussions with Taj. And that's how, two of you would be getting lovely prizes from Taj. And of course, Travelgyan team, my entire team, for the technology support and the back-end help that they extended. And to all you lovely divas who took off the time and who participated and who are going to have a very fun evening today. I have with me Anju Tandon also, so we will get her in. And I will then, the floor is now yours now, Rima, so you can take it forward and you can introduce your guest. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. It's such an honor, such a pleasure, and most importantly, the warmest hello from my end from Remarkable, because I just believe that life is truly remarkable. Before I get on to, being just really absolutely always on time, I just want to say that, self-love is something I discovered at the age of 45. Whoever is younger to me, please discover it much before, because it's so worth it. Don't wait till I was 45 till I discovered it, because it's so not worth it. Just as I move on, I have a very special guest and also a very dear friend. Her name is Kamal Malagi. Kamal Malagi is a very interesting practitioner. She is a specially trained, first and foremost, she's a brilliant artist. And being an artist, she tried to explore life in different ways. And now she is a warm qualified art therapy practitioner. Kamal, if I get it right.
Yes, expressive arts therapy practitioner.
Expressive arts therapy practitioner. So, Kamal, we have these extremely vibrant ladies from a very special industry called the travel trade. Two things to know, Kamal. Travel trade was one of the most beaten and bruised trade because of COVID-19. But I would like to say with pride that all the women out here are not broken. They are bruised, but not broken. And they are here to support each other, because this industry is probably the most seasonal, most cyclical, and always under stress with the minutest global stress. So Kamal, we are here to bring them some joy and some happiness. Kamal, the platform is all yours. Thank you.
Thanks, Rima. Hi, everybody here. First of all, wish everyone a very happy Women's Day. And I like Rima said, that here we have like a bunch of strong, resilient women who've been there. And now even during the COVID, we've kind of had our own battles to fight. We are back. Take a choice break first. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, partially. You are. Kamal, I'm just going to keep everyone on mute right now. And if you can unmute yourself, please.
I'm unmuted. Okay. Now all right. Am I better? Is my sound better now?
Yes.
Just you can do a thumbs up or whatever. Yeah, okay. Okay, thanks. All right. So I was wishing everybody a very happy Women's Day. And I said, like Reema said, and I think here we have a bunch of very resilient women who've, first of all, the travel industry, the way it is, and the COVID, whatever it put everybody through, and travel, yes, suffered a lot. But yes, now it's all come back. So, cheers to resilience, cheers to strength, cheer to the woman power. So happy Women's Day. So I think that's what and what I do, like Reema said, I'm an expressive arts therapy practitioner. So in my little space with you, I'm going to try and see what we can do in an expression, art and movement, what we are holding in our body, what we are holding inside us, what's happening around us. We'll explore that in just a little bit and see what comes out without giving too much into that. We can straight away get into exploring, but in this space, I hope this is so that you all are present. And when we breathe, take a deep breath, and as we breathe, choose a sound that's O, A, E, whatever resonates with you, a sound that resonates with you. And as we breathe, we also say that. So you can use your space, you want to move, you want to sit, but let's do that so that from wherever we've come, whatever we were doing, thank you, all of you are present here, but let's just bring ourselves totally in this space now. This time, this moment, totally yours. So whatever resonates with you, whether it's O, A, E, U, just take a moment to do that. Space. For example, I'll say, you can say A, E, U, E, whatever. Just take a moment to do that with yourself. You can close your eyes for a minute and relax. Yeah. Take a minute. Yeah. All right. Now, I invite you all to move a little bit in your space, stretching outwards, all movements outwards, so that we can shake off whatever, if at all you're carrying anything, and see what's your movement for you for today. So stretching outwards, any outward movement, do your own movement. You don't have to do what I'm doing, your own very movement. You're stretching your arms. These are all outward movements. Anything that goes out from inside to outside, outside. Your legs outward. You can spread if you want outward. Anything that goes out. What's happening in my physical world, my body outside. If you feel like, you can feel, touch, press outside. Any ache you're carrying, touch it. Spend a little longer time. You can stretch your feet, move your legs outward, yeah. Outward. So all outward. And breathe. And as we do that, witness your outside world. What's out? What is in your world around you? What is your physical world? Your room, your space. It's even better. You can switch off your camera for a moment and do that. Explore your world around you. And keep doing your outward movements as you do that. Notice your room, any thoughts? Anything that's outside in your surroundings. Keep moving, keep stretching, trying to observe your external world. And slowly observe your movement to inward. The same movement, what you are doing outside, bring it in. From up to down, from sides to your chest, from your arms that were going out, now slowly, chest, your arms, your stomach, your back, inward. Movement that is inward for you. Any movement, seek your own very moving inwards. You can move your, rotate your from outside to inside. See how inside. Hold yourself. Put your palms together. Touch your eyes. Feel what's within. Close your ears. Only your sound. Touch your chest. Only your breath. And you. Visit your inner world. What do you feel inside? All those emotions that you're holding inside you. makes you strong? What makes you vulnerable? Your inner guidance. Your inner light. Breathe and keep coming back to the center of your chest and breathe. I invite you all to slowly find a way, come back to your place. If you can, close your eyes, take a moment to feel what you experienced as you moved from outside to inside. Take a moment to see what you feel as you move from outside to inside. My voice is not clear. Am I better now? I'll switch off my video. Am I better now? No.
Yes, it's better. You can keep your video switched off because your network is low. Yes.
Yeah, I did that. Yeah. So take a moment to acknowledge what you experienced as you moved from outside to inside, as you visited your external world, and then you came back inside. And as we do that, find a way, find a symbol or an image that represents your inner world, your very own inner image. I'll put it in the chat box as well. If the image is changing, it's okay. Wait till you find something that resonates, that stays with you. जो आपको लगे, हाँ, ये मैं महसूस करती हूँ अंदर, ये मेरी strength है, ये मेरा resource है, ये मैं हूँ. This is me inside. I go outside, but I come back. मैं वापस अपने पास, अपने अंदर क्या महसूस करती हूँ उसको आप एक इमेज, एक symbol, image, any symbol that stay with it. If it's changing, कोई बात नहीं. Wait for it to stay. Something that stays or which comes back again and again. Hold on to that. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Look at the sheet of paper in front of you and the colors. Choose a color that represents that emotion, that image that came for you. First, a color that you pick up, which you think is you, the internal world that represents the inner world. जो रंग आपके inside को represent करता है, what you are inside you. Choose that, and then draw that image symbol on the sheet of paper in front of you.
Hi. Unable to hear.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
I'm not speaking anyways. But so I put in the chat box the instructions. Because I don't want to feeling. And don't worry what it looks like. It's not the product, it's the process. कुछ भी जो भी आपके मन में है वो आप करेंगे. Art important. We are not doing art and painting.
So I'm
5 minutes. Yeah, fine. So we'll wait. The ones who are done, just do your thumbs up. Yes, we'll share.
but it's so bad that
Yes.
I'm not good in drawing.
You can write with me if no, art is not. No. Listen, art is not important. I should have said that in the beginning. The form, the art, what is important to you? I'm not looking at art aesthetics forms. No. What is yours? What it means to you? You can write with me if you're done.
Yes.
If you want to put a few words. We'll share
Yes.
with everybody, Vivi.
Yes.
Everybody is done. One word.
Yes.
Because I don't want to take too much time. Yeah, great. Oh, great.
Whoever is done can put it in the chat box.
Archana. Okay, great. Okay. Gaiti, we are hanging in there.
Wow.
Who's that? Okay, the ones who are not done can give finishing touches. Yeah, great. Because I don't want you to spend too much time, just what is coming in the moment for you. That's it. All right, I think a lot of people are done. Great. Okay, can we have a the one not done, take a moment, give it your.
We can just put them on spotlight.
You can switch on your camera. Who wants to go first? Quickly share one
Would you like
word
to share yours?
that you felt it was you.
Okay,
One
that's
word.
the sun.
Who's that? I can't see. Who's speaking? Archana. Who's speaking? Sorry, I can't see.
Himali, you're on mute. Okay, I'm just going to add Vimy on the spot in the spotlight now.
Okay.
Yes.
So Vimy is in the spotlight.
My symbol is the Trishul and it represents happiness and peace.
Fantastic.
My symbol is sun.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you, Vimy.
Thank you. Thank you, Kashish.
Yes,
Yeah.
Himali.
Yeah.
My symbol is sun. Sunshine. My sunshine.
Sunshine.
I'm going to put Pinky in
Okay.
the spotlight now. Pinky.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. The sun, the Trishul.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to put Mrunalini now. Mrunali, if you would like to show yours.
What beautiful.
I'm going to put Trishala.
My symbol is white pigeon.
Yeah,
which represents peace for me.
Keep putting. It's okay.
Beautiful.
I'm sorry for the drawing.
Hmm,
I'm not
thank-
good in drawing.
As Kamal
Oh,
said,
no, no, no,
important.
no.
I'm going to put Seema now.
Yeah, it's a symbol.
I'm going to put Vishaka next.
Even Kunchalada is done.
Fantastic. I'll just put Kunchalada.
Wow, Vishu.
Yeah, I should show mine also, right? It's the bindi. It's the power.
Yes, of course. Yeah, the red bindi and the
I'm
red.
going to, yes, I'm going to put Anju now. Anju,
Even
if
the
you can
color.
show.
Even the color. Yeah.
Yes. I'm going to put Purvi now.
Listen, I haven't drawn anything, so please.
Okay,
So
okay.
my symbol
I
is
am doing
Om.
all the stuff which is happening behind people messaging and everything.
So it's okay.
Okay, my symbol is Om. For me, it is inner peace and inclusiveness.
Yeah, so
Oh, even with the third eye. It will be same.
Wow.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes. With it.
Similar.
It's so beautiful, yeah. All of you all.
Kunchalada, I think you were talking, but you're on mute. Okay, I thought you're talking, so I could. Great. Rashna, do you have anything to show?
Okay, Terry.
I do,
Yeah, I don't
but
want to
my
take over
drawing's not that
all the
great.
time in the session. That's all right. Your symbol, what it means to you. That's it.
Rima, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Great. Fantastic.
Sunita, Achal,
right.
Sneha, Deepti.
Where are you
I don't
guys?
want to take over. Yeah, maybe you can all, okay, because in respect of time, maybe the ones who haven't shared, if you can just share your symbol in the chat box, the name and your symbol in the chat box.
That's nice.
Others know.
Lovely.
Wow.
Yes,
Discovering
thank
the
you,
inner self.
Siddhi, yeah.
That's nice.
Yes. I think it's fire or a flame.
No,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
a flame which is spreading.
Yeah, so
Which
look,
is
we
burning
have a
herself,
Trishul, the
a
sun.
flame burning herself,
Yes.
the light within me, and I'm spreading it all over.
Great. Wow.
That is how we, as a woman, we women have so many roles, and hence we not only help ourselves to enlighten, but enlighten a family, our friends, everyone around us. So
Yeah.
that is what I want my symbol to
And
represent.
spread all around.
Enlightening everyone, this flame,
Yes.
by burning herself.
Yeah.
So the
Yeah.
light
Thank
within
you,
me,
Siddhi. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Great.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. So look what we got here. The heart, the sun, the third eye, sunshine, heart, mountain and a pine tree, a rose, infinite, and the sun, the bindi, there's done a lotus, a trishul. So look what are we holding inside us, all of us. And if you compare it to the outside to inside, peace, yeah. So only because we're running out of time, I would urge you all, I would urge everybody to further explore these symbols that came up for you today in your own space and time. What is around it, how you want to look at it, maybe write a few words around your symbol, and maybe find a place which empowers you every day and put it there for yourself. Your symbol, your inner symbol. I am. And I am that. Yeah, you can write that with your symbol. I am that, with your name, or I am what your symbol is. Yeah, family. Somebody's done family, it looks like, or people.
That's me. It's family.
So, yeah. Rima, yeah. All right. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. In such little time, we could touch such deeper selves, inner selves, and thanks for sharing that with me and with everybody in this space. We close this by making a form of a symbol with our hands in a virtual space as though we are all together in one large circle. Yeah, if we can just make a symbol represents whatever you've drawn, and we all sit in that space in our own, as though we all sing together. Family and the sun. So yeah, I can't see everybody in one shot. I would love to. Rima, if we can have a picture with everybody's symbol.
Yes, Nikita.
Put hands,
Yes.
everybody, your symbol. If it was a bindi, yeah, whatever. Do it in your own way. If you can't make a sculpture, if it was a flame, whatever that flame looks like, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, everybody here.
Thank you
and
so
wish
much.
you all hold on to your inner strength and your inner symbol and let it guide you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you
and
so
happy
much,
Women's
Kamal.
Day again to everybody here.
Thank you, Kamal.
Bye.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Kamal.
thank you.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Neha.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks,
Thank you,
Rima.
Kamal.
Thanks, Nikita.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks. Thanks.
That was a
All
great
the best.
initiative.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
everybody.
Thank you so much.
I'm
Fantastic
glad.
initiative.
I'm glad. By the
Bring the inner self
way,
out.
yeah, I'll put it in the chat.
I'm so glad to
Yeah.
have you, and thank you, Kamal.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. We will now move forward, and may I request Purvi to introduce our next doll, as we call her, Kunchalada.
I would love to call her Kundol instead of Kunchalada.
Yeah.
but once again, ladies, wish you all a very, very happy Women's Day. And to make this evening filled with memories, I will definitely now call upon a diva, a lady, a doll, whatever you want to call her, who certainly needs no introduction. She is our own Kunchalada Siddhivarn, the director of TAT, Tourism Authority of Thailand in Mumbai. Of course, she's responsible for southern and western market of India, spearheading Maldives and Sri Lanka as well. She's got with her an experience of almost 22 years with Thailand Tourism Authority. And she's largely contributed in strengthening the travel trade and the media relations within TAT. So Kunchalada, I don't want to be making it boring with people hearing my voice. Maybe please request you to take over the platform and interact with our lovely divas in your own special way.
Swadika, thank you so much. Actually, this is my first official attend the International Women's Day.
Wow. So
thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, no, but thanks. I don't know, for all the initiative. This is my first time really. And when I see the faces of all the ladies here, it's give me kind of more power. And you all reflect all the good vibe, and we can share that vibe together, right? I mean, it's reflect to each other. Whenever you smile, the face is looking at you is also a smile. Thank you so much once again. And I don't know what to say, but yeah. For me, I would like to share. For me, as a lady, as a normal, a simple person, I don't think that I cannot do anything. I mean, I don't have any limitation. If I would like to do, and if I want to do, we can do it, no? But actually, we can't do it alone. We need some kind of team, of the support of our teams in some way. Yep, but actually, I think we can do everything. And
Kunchalada, 1 second. I will just unmute. I will just mute all. And I will request you to unmute yourself.
Okay.
Thank you. Please
Thank
carry
you,
on.
thank you. No, I just want to say that we are special. No, everybody is special, not just only lady. Everybody is special, and we can do everything. And yeah, just move on and do kind of thing, and it will happen anyway.
Great. Thanks for those kind words, Kunchalada. This is really helpful. It motivates us to go stronger and longer for a long time. So, may I now request you if you could start with the more active things which we have planned.
Okay.
The more engaging one.
Okay.
First, we asked everyone to get inside and find your inner self. Now we ask everyone to put your running shoes on because we have some more excitement that's going to happen right now. Kunchalada is going to keep us on the toes. So Kunchalada, it's over to you where you can start with all the game and fun activities.
Okay, okay. I will ask the question, and how can you just pick the person to rest first or what?
The one who we will keep this on gallery view. So anyone who brings in first or who participates first is the winner.
Okay.
And we
So
all are judges here.
Okay, so you have to raise your hand, right, before you answer the question.
Yes.
Okay.
And everyone has to be on video if they have to participate. So.
Okay, ka. And I will start with the first question. Okay, girls, you are going on the beach holiday. Pick one item around you that you would want to carry on the beach with you.
Run, go get the first thing that you have. We need some item, okay? No, Rima, no, you're not going to carry a pillow. Okay. I saw Trishala wearing sunglasses first.
Sunscreen.
Okay.
Water. Sunscreen.
Okay. So, in all fairness, Trishala came with her glares first. We'll wait. Okay, Himali with slippers on. Wait until people get more innovative.
Hat.
With a hat.
Chappals.
Yes, that's so important, right?
Scarf. Sunscreen. Scarf.
Ashta, sorry if you're in office, but this is just impromptu. So whatever you can get, maybe you'll get the next opportunity. Pratiksha with the sunscreen, fantastic.
I said scarf.
Great. Lovely.
I need Google.
Great. Okay. So Kunchalada, I'm writing the first name.
Okay.
Which was Trishala for sunglasses. Guys, there are 3 more questions to go. Am I right, Kunchalada? There are 3 more questions.
4 actually.
4, excellent. So keep your running shoes on. We have 4 more questions.
4 more questions. So I go to the second one. As a woman, how do you pamper yourself? Bring any spa items that you have recently bought for yourself.
Run, get your spa items.
I have bought this.
Which one?
It's a skin oil, basically.
Ah.
Nail paint.
That's an eye mask.
Okay.
Okay.
So Asta, what do you have with you? It's a spa item. I saw Asta coming first, but it's an eye mask. I don't know if that's qualified. Then I saw Pratiksha. Pratiksha was next with a spa oil.
Lipstick. Anantara spa item.
Okay. Great. What else do you have, guys?
I have a sheet mask.
Rose massage cream.
Where's the massage cream? It's just the rose.
Rose.
You're going to now make a massage cream. Now you're going to take the rose, make the massage cream, and then you're going to apply. Fantastic. CV, Seema, I did see you coming in a little later, but yeah, this is a way to pamper yourself.
No.
Okay. I think the fastest here was Pratiksha. So Pratiksha, can you just tell us what do you have? Pratiksha, you're on mute.
Hello, it's a spa oil from Skin Company, basically.
Okay. So Kunchalada, the next one goes to Pratiksha.
Yep. Okay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Let's give a...
And the third question, I will go to the third question.
Okay, I'll keep my eyes on.
Okay. Anybody can bring me a plant to appreciate nature around them.
Here.
Hey, Rima, I see you coming first. Vishaka next.
Vishaka.
Was it Vishaka first or Rima? I'm sorry, I missed it.
It was Vishaka first.
Okay, okay. I kind of...
For my plant, I'm putting it down.
Sorry, I had my doubts. I kind of...
No, it was Vishaka first. I'm observing it. No
Okay,
worries.
perfect.
I'm already in nature. What about me?
Wow.
Why don't you bring the tree down? Great. Congratulations, Vishaka. Kunchalada.
Nature also finally. I searched.
Okay.
So Khyati and Vishaka, since y'all are almost best buddies, y'all can share the prize that is given to y'all.
we anyways share a lot of things, so it's okay. It's like gone in the same house.
Exactly. So whatever Vishaka gets now, it's going to be shared between you and her.
Oh,
very good.
Let's not make it very simple for them to get prizes, Kunchalada.
Yes.
Let's ask her what, I mean, if you would want to ask her any questions.
In fact, you should be asking Kunchalada both the previous winners also questions.
Yeah. I mean, why give it so easy?
Exactly.
Okay. So, move on.
Yes, you can finish the next two quizzes.
Sure. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay, I've been invited for a destination wedding in Koh Samui, and one of the theme evening is sundowner dress. Can you show me one of the dress so that I have an idea to pack?
Oh God, you want a dress?
Sundowner.
It's a sundowner dress. Come on, ladies. I'm sure so many of y'all must be wearing one dress.
I see Pratiksha and Trisha, but unfortunately, one person gets one prize.
Is this dress okay?
Will you wear it for a sundowner?
See, it can completely go. I've got a very nice scarf. I've got a shades. I've got a nice slick tee, and
so you have to convince Kunchalada. We have no problem.
I have.
Come on, girls. What about the rest?
Yeah, come on, go get your dresses. Vimmi with some nice yellow. I see Himali. Himali, you wear this as a sundowner?
And you know what? I've got a sun also behind me.
I think Vimmi got a good dress.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I think so too. But we leave it to Kunchalada. Kunchalada.
Yes. Kunchalada can take the final judgment.
Okay, I can't see all actually.
Okay. Let us highlight some dresses. That's Vimmi's dress. Okay. Then we had Vimmi as the one who came in. Then we have Pinky.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Vimmi came in first.
Okay.
So.
Okay, Vimmi then.
Great. Congratulations, Vimmi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Fantastic. Great. Kunchalada, again, I don't think we should give them so easy. No, not at all.
She will be asking questions for sure.
Okay, so the last one, no?
Yes.
Is it? So, okay. It's all about gold. Bring me one item in color of gold that you would want to accessorize on you.
I'm already wearing it.
Okay, go.
Earrings also.
Pratiksha's already the winner.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
I've got a nice stone earring and a stone necklace.
Gold, babe, gold.
I'm wearing gold chain, locket, and 2 earrings and finger rings.
Okay, so Pinky, Lavanya is showing something.
I've got my sling bag in golden color.
Fantastic.
I've got my gold watch.
So nice.
Hey guys, I have to say one thing. I have a heart of gold. Chalega na?
Wow.
I have a gold ring.
Wow.
I have gold ring. I can't show you Kunchalada, but I do have a heart of gold.
I can definitely tell that we are all rich. With gold, accessories of gold and a heart of gold.
I have gold ring.
What to do, Nikita? You have to help me now.
I am keeping my mouth shut.
I think it was Pinky, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Because she was flaunting the gold chain.
I know.
Big one, I think. I have
Big
seen.
one. Yeah.
And she
big gold
disappeared.
Hey, hello.
Hey.
I have gold ring.
Okay. Wow.
I think everybody's got gold accessories.
Mangalsutra. Gold Mangalsutra.
What to do, Nikita? Help me.
Purva, Nikita, I guess all of us have got gold accessories. It's
exactly.
I mean, like everybody has. Even I do have. So
yeah.
Yeah.
But
so
I feel sling bag.
Yeah, I feel I leave it to Purvi to take a call here. Purvi.
I think the first one who showed it on screen was Pinky.
Okay.
Was Pinky. She was the one who showed it on screen, which was visible. So I guess
let's give it to Pinky.
Okay.
Pinky, congratulations. Fantastic.
So Kunchalada, now you can ask your questions to all the winners.
Okay, the first one I'll ask Trishala.
Let me put her in the spotlight.
Trishala, what is the first thing that comes into your mind when you choose Thailand as a holiday destination?
It's the beaches and the street food. These are the two main reasons why I would like to travel to Thailand.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Pratiksha?
Put her in the spotlight.
Yes, Pratiksha, the second question.
Hi, how are you?
Yep, I'm good. Thank you so much. Thailand is now branding is Amazing Thailand. Tell me one adjective starting from the first letter of your name that can be used as the adjective with Thailand.
Perfect destination.
Wow.
To visit in 2021.
Thank you so much. Perfect destination, as perfect as you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vishaka?
Hi, darling. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. Thank you so much.
put her
Very
in the
nice to see you. If I give you 500 baht to spend in Thailand,
Yes.
how would you spend this money?
Oh, darling, massage, foot massage. Yes.
Massage only, right?
Who's my 15-year-old?
17 hours.
Foot massage at 10 years old when she went. Imagine.
Okay. Wow. How many hours you can spend with 500 baht massage in Thailand? 3, no?
2 to 3 and then shopping again and again massage.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. And Wimi?
Yes.
Wimi, you are a group of 6 women who wants to celebrate Women's Day in Thailand. What place in Thailand will you choose and why?
I'll choose Phuket.
Phuket.
It has good food,
Good food.
good shopping, and good beach.
Okay.
Nice.
Good. Yeah, very nice. And beach. Thank you so much. That's all
Thank
right?
you.
You want to do in Phuket, no? The last one, Pinky, with the chain of gold. Pinky?
Yes.
Okay. If you are given a choice to
Yes.
kayak with cave exploring in Phuket.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are given a choice to kayak with cave exploring in Phuket or a close encounter with animals in Safari World Bangkok, what would you choose and why?
I would choose Northern Tomlat Cave. That is in northeastern Thailand. I want to explore the caves.
Okay, that cave. Do you mean the Wire Cave?
Yes, the Tomlat Cave. That is
Tham Lot. Okay.
Yes.
Tham Lot. Okay, it's in Mae Hong Son. Was that one, the film Thug of Hindustan was shot there, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ka. Thank you very much, everyone, and congratulations. Thank you yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. That was so amazing. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Ka. Thank you.
Thanks a lot once again, Kunchalada, for coming up with these amazing and exciting initiative. This was really fun, and it awoke all the senses in us. So great. Thanks a lot for this.
Thank you.
So I would now request Rima to introduce Seema. And Rima, the floor is yours, please.
Absolutely. Right. I'm great. I'm not on mute. Thank you, Nikita and Kunchalada. It was such an experience. Thank you so much. And such a pleasure to see you back, and all the best to all that you do in life. When I go on to my next beautiful lady, I wouldn't like to, Seema, I wouldn't like to describe you the way it's been written in a boring format. I want to say things about you that's special.
Okay.
Because I believe that a woman who is rising up the ranks in her career is a woman who needs to be acknowledged. So I don't want to read your bio data. I just want to say that you have been consistently proving yourself in the travel industry. Whatever little I have known of you, from the tourism boards to aviation, right? It was Finnair in your career.
Exactly, it was, yeah.
Also SATC. And there is now, obviously, there was Switzerland Tourism, Fiji. Fiji is when I met you as press, and that's about it. And now, of course, the big one, Los Angeles. So Seema Kadam, we're so proud of you, number one. So I prefer not reading biodatas. I prefer speaking from my heart. So congratulations, Seema, for where you've been, to what you've achieved.
Thank you.
When a woman achieves something, it's always with a lot of sacrifice behind her, which nobody sees, right? So before I go on to the session, I would like to share with you that when I quit my career on the top of the rank with journalism, 18 years of my career with the Indian Express, I just decided to say that thank you so much, because I want to move on to something better and build something better, which I can be more proud of. I just did this little session. I was under, a kind of a session, and somebody said, describe yourself, Rima. And with the first adjective of your letter, and what I said, it's remarkable, Rima. And I didn't even realize it became my brand name, because I described myself as remarkable. Seema, my first question to you is, S for Seema, how do you describe yourself, Seema? S for?
I think it's strength. I derive a lot of strength from myself and from the people around me. So I think, yes, strength is what comes to my mind. I think we all women embody that in us, but we kind of, are very weak in kind of showing it to the others. So yes, for me, yes, it's strength that comes to mind first.
So that it is. So it could be, you could have said sensational, Seema. You could have said smart, Seema, but you said strength. So Seema, honestly, as a life coach, and the first thing we were taught was, the first thing that comes to your mind is you.
Right.
You are strength. What you define for yourself is strength.
Right.
sure Purvi might say something. What's P? Purvi, what's P for you?
P for me will be power.
Power. So Purvi is power. So Nikita, what are you? N.
I would say for me, it would be nothing is impossible.
Oh, that's nothing is impossible. And Nada, what is it that your alphabet says? Your first letter says, what are you? Are you with me? All right, not a problem. So I'm just going to say quickly, Trishala, what does it mean to you?
T.
What is T?
There are not much words.
So you know, it's your letter starts with T. So what is T for you? No problem. You'll get it. You'll get it soon. For sure, you'll get it soon. So, you know, it's always what you are is what you feel within. And that was my first therapy. In fact, when I brought the art therapist in, this is exactly what I wanted to tell you, that, you know, we've so many things hidden within us and we need somebody else to pull it out from us.
True.
So anyways, so I leave this beautiful thought with you that, you know, it's something that we all have within, and just keep shining on. Seema, the floor is yours. The ground is yours, and we all want to enjoy Los Angeles. Thank you.
Thank you, Reema. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'm so glad to, you know, see everyone's faces. And I like the effort of, you know, having the makeup and the purple color. So yes, I think we all kind of, you know, need to enrich each other by, you know, looking at the brighter side. So I'm really happy, and I'm glad that we have the best of both. So we had Thailand, the best of East, and now we have Los Angeles, the best of West, which is featured here. So thank you, Purvi, Nikita, Reema, for this initiative. Really appreciate everyone's efforts in this. I think we just need to kind of look at these small things and, you know, kind of gain and try to, you know, get above all the hardships that are going around. So I think, yes, and I think we're all part of this big tribe. You know, we are like home warriors plus work warriors, trying to balance both together. So yes, I'm really happy for all women, and I think on Women's Day we need to just, you know, pat ourselves on the back and say we've done a good job so far, and I'm sure we'll kind of go a long way in the future as well. Yes.
Beautiful. Yes.
Great. Now we have like a fun quiz. I'm sure after the East, everyone's kind of geared to take on a very fun quiz of Los Angeles as well.
We're all ready.
Great. Nikita, are we having the questions on the screen, or?
Yes, yes, we are. I'm just going to quickly share screen.
Great.
Okay, just one moment.
Great, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Seema, with your permission, can I move it?
Yes, please move it, Nikita. Yeah. Great. We will try to keep it very easy, everyone. Nikita, yes, sorry.
Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills.
No, so nobody will. So let's have some housekeeping rules. No, right? Nobody would mention that. Please put it in chat, and the first person who gets it right will win a prize. Okay?
Yeah, I see someone who's already put it.
Yeah,
so
Khyati has put
Khyati
it.
from Dream Holidays. Okay, Khyati. So you're the first winner. You're the first one. It's like the fastest finger first.
Congratulations,
Thank
Khyati.
God.
Thank you. Congratulations. Can we share?
Yeah. So yes,
Still,
of course, celebrities.
Please give me something like that.
Yeah. You will get a fantastic goodie bag from Los Angeles.
Hi. Thank you.
Great. Congratulations, Khyati.
Congratulations, Khyati. But don't log off.
What is equal to our own Pali Hill in Los Angeles celebrities reside?
Just a second. I
What is
didn't
equal
hear
to
what you said.
Pali Hill in Los Angeles where celebrities reside?
Okay, so
We move on to the next one.
Next one, yeah. Move on to the next one.
Which is.
I will keep everyone else on mute so that nobody gets a chance to speak and answer.
Yeah.
You can unmute yourself, please. Seema, I request you to unmute yourself.
I've unmuted.
Sure. Great. So we're getting the answers here.
No. I think Rima is the one who's got it. So Rima, I think Rima got it.
Yes, Rima.
Yeah. Can you elaborate a little more, Rima? What do you mean by that? Where would you actually see it? Do you want to just type it over there in the chat box?
The Hollywood logo, right?
Yes, the Hollywood logo, which is, the iconic Hollywood logo, right?
Yes.
Got it. So Rima is our second winner.
Congratulations, Rima.
Congratulations, Rima.
Okay, moving on to the next one.
This is going to be like a googly for most of them, which is not a Disney character. No. No. I can say B is not the right answer.
You need
yes.
A, B, C, or D.
Yeah.
Okay, so who's the first one?
Trishala has already won something, so we'll kind of, give
it a pass.
It's Siddhi because Pratiksha is also one and Trishala is also one, so it has to be Siddhi Shah if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, because they are really quick. Siddhi Shah? Yeah, Siddhi Shah, I think. Yes, Siddhi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Siddhi, you're the winner of the third.
Hey, this is not done. We are also playing.
Who's this?
Pratiksha here. Are a different country, no?
Let everyone be a winner. Let's give a chance to the others as well.
We want also Los Angeles also we want to visit, na?
I'll do one more quiz. Nikita and Purvi will need to do one more quiz, so we can with more questions then.
But I want this.
Okay, moving on to the next one.
Okay, now which TV show? This is a very easy one, I'm sure. Everyone's been watching a lot of Netflix, so not difficult to get it. Could we please monitor the answers for me because they are really quick?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
Mrinali is Vishaka and Mrinali.
No, I think Friends was Friends was first mentioned by Astha, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Or was it Archana?
Okay, 1 second, because it's going like really, really.
No, actually, D was the answer for the previous questions. For this question, I wrote Friends.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. You can check the timing.
Right.
So Astha is on 5:13. She's written Friends.
Okay, so I'm leaving it to you, Purvi, or the judge here. Astha?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes, hi.
Yes.
Okay, so Astha is the winner. This was a very easy one. I think we should have done some difficult questions. Yeah, but maybe the next.
No, we're done with our. So
no,
now
we are not letting them in so easy.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We have a follow-up question as well for the winners. Okay.
Yes.
So that kind of then seals your prize, if that's fine.
Of course, it's fine. Where is Kathy? Bring her online. She's the first winner, no?
Yes.
You can ask her the question now.
Okay, Kathy,
Yes,
ready? Okay, what is the other name for Los Angeles? Like how you have New York is called Big Apple. Do you know what is the other name for Los Angeles?
LA is equal to Disney, according to me.
No, the other name. Like you say, I'm going to the Big Apple. I'm visiting the Big Apple. So what is the other name? that's associated with Los Angeles?
Hollywood.
No.
No. Actually, exactly. I mean, when I say LA, I just feel that I'm going to Disney. That's how it comes to my mind.
Okay. Does anyone else want to try Reema, Siddhi, or Asta? Anyone wants to give it a shot?
City of Angels.
Yes. Who was it? Who said it?
Kunchalada.
Kunchalada.
Hi, this is Astha.
Okay, yes, you got it right. It is called the City of Angels. But don't worry, your prize is secured already.
Thank you. Sorry, going to LA. Okay.
You're going to LA.
Okay, there's a slight confusion. I think before Ashta, it was Archana who had.
Oh, really?
written-
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
so sorry.
So there's a tie here.
Okay. If there's a tie,
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
We'll give a prize to both of them.
Yes.
If you can check.
Nikita, if there's a tie, we'll give a prize to both
Yes,
of
so
them.
Archana
Yes.
and Astha both.
Both
Yeah,
will
Archana
get.
and
Yeah.
Astha both will get a prize.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Reema, are you there? Hello.
I'm very much here.
Yes. Okay. I'm asking you a very. This is going to be, of course, a very fun question. Who is your favorite Hollywood actor and why?
Who's my favorite Hollywood actor and why?
Yeah.
Wow. But I mean, I'm not too much into films, but honestly, I think Tom Hanks.
Okay, that's a nice one.
Yeah, I think Tom Hanks.
Tom Hanks.
Impossible.
Okay. Would you know which is the movie that's kind of extensively shot in LA and was even nominated for the Oscars just a couple of years back? And has one of the heartthrob actors, I can even give you a hint, Ryan Gosling. Would you know of the movie?
This question is for me again.
Is it La La
Yeah,
Land?
anyone who wants to, yeah.
I can
give it-
answer. I can
La La
answer.
Land?
Seema. I can answer.
Yeah.
Italian Job? Was it Italian Job?
Oh, no.
No? Okay.
It's La La
La
Land.
La
I
Land.
guess.
It's La La Land.
La La
yes,
Land.
It's La La Land.
La La Land.
Right. Okay, then Siddhi.
Ashta.
Yes.
What are the two famous studios of LA? Could you name two? Of course, there are quite a few in Los Angeles, but could you name two?
Hollywood.
I cannot hear you. Can you just repeat the question?
I said, what are the two famous studios of LA? In Los Angeles, which are the two famous studios? There are quite a few studios.
10 on questions.
Warner Brothers,
Right, Warner Brothers and?
Columbia Pictures,
No, studios.
Universal.
Yeah, Universal, yes.
Universal.
Good, so you seal your prize as well.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll move to Asta and Archana now.
Oh, but now you'll have to make two questions. So
Don't worry. Yeah, we have two questions.
okay, cool.
Okay. Which world-renowned sporting event is taking place in Los Angeles and which year? It's like a big.
Can you please repeat your voices?
I said, which is the famous the sporting event, world-renowned sporting event, which is taking place in Los Angeles, and which year?
Wimbledon.
Oh no. Archana, Asta, anyone? Both of y'all. Who wants to?
Sorry.
Oh no, Google searching. It should be a spontaneous one. Anyone else who wants to give it a shot? You know, Los Angeles is like a sporting destination. So there are a lot of
This was really hard.
Okay, which is the one which event didn't take place in Japan?
Is it NBA?
Olympics.
Olympics, of course, yes, the Olympics. And the year?
88, I think.
28, yeah, it's 2028, yeah.
Yeah.
So, and what is the airport? Okay, so Asa and Archana, what is the three-letter code of the airport for Los Angeles?
LAX.
That was a very easy one now.
Great. At least they ensured they seal the deal and they get their prizes out.
Exactly. Yeah. So great. Yes. So we're kind of done. So congratulations to the winners once again.
Thank you very much, Seema. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you, Seema. Thank you very much for your time.
I'd also like to once
Nikita,
again.
Nikita, sorry, just send me the names, the complete names and the name of the agencies of the winners.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
And thank you once again, Seema. And I'd like to once again thank everyone who came here and participated. Thank you, Tourism Authority of Thailand, for the prizes that you have given to all the winners who are now excited. Thank you, Los Tourism, for the prizes that you have given. Rima, I again thank you for being a media partner. I want to specially thank Purvi, because sometimes the man behind the scene is someone who doesn't come ahead, but she's the one who took all the initiative, she ensured that she is in touch with each one of us. Get in touch with Rima, me. She used to coordinate with everyone, and she got everything in place. So thanks for making this happen. I'd like to thank Taj Santa Cruz Mumbai for giving away the exciting vouchers as well. I also want to thank Romy Furtado for, again, like I said, he was the one who was mediating, who was coordinating, and he got the Taj vouchers. And lastly, my team, Travel Gyan, for ensuring that everything falls in place technology-wise. I'd now hand it over to Rima once again. If you would want to say something before I announce the surprise, which is the best makeup and the best dressed with makeup women. So Rima and Purvi, would you like to say something before I do that?
Yes, hi. Once again, the warmest thank you. And most importantly, Nikita, I want to say something really special about you. I've never known you before this throughout my career, but I have interacted with you so much recently. Thank you for the energy, because I thrive on it. You are so much of positive energy in you.
Thank you.
Travel Gyan, really be the Gyan guru of this industry. May you as well really do well, because you've got something really positive and very bright about you. So all the best. Thank you for being so warm to me, and thank you for helping Remarkable also grow with you. And thank you. And just a little promise from me that my main intention is to bring stories of sensation, growing on my own with small baby steps. And Purvi Javeri, we've come a long way. When I started my career, as a journalist, I would always see you and, get quotes out of you, and whether it was Malaysia and now it's Sunday. So may your Sunday always be bright, Purvi. And
thank you, Rima.
A lot of sunshine. And with that, to all the beautiful ladies out here, I just want to say this one thing, that we're all in it together. With all our struggles, stresses, and by the end of the day, it's truly spirited and soulful. Thank you so much, with a humble, warm, directly through my heart. Very best to each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rima. Thank you, Nikita. Thanks everybody who's kind of been here and who's participated from sharp 4 o'clock until now, who's been patient enough and with all great spirits, because I think this is our day. This is a day where we are a woman. We're not a daughter, we're not a wife, we are nothing, but we're just by ourselves. So I think it's the best way to celebrate. We just wanted to get a lot of you online, and there were a few who couldn't make it, but however, since this has been a live streaming on Facebook, so many would have watched it. Shortly, we will be sending you the link so you can you can probably save the link and you can just share it with, you can have memories with your family and you can show it to your family as well. Rima, as you said, yes, we definitely have a long way. We've had a long way and we still have a very long way to go between us. It's a different connect between you and me. But let me tell you, when we were planning this offline, way before the lockdown, I mean, the second wave that started, and the Maharashtra government said that no, we cannot, we cannot have these social gatherings. So Rima and me were discussing this like literally 1 month back, and we were planning to have an event offline and meet up, and then suddenly it was all burst. So we said, let's take it up online, and let's make them have some fun, make them feel special. So yes, thanks once again. And Nikita was the one who jumped immediately, and she connected with me, and she's like, Purvi, any help you need. So I think I don't think I would have ever had such a great technology partner who's empowered so well with with all the creatives and the artworks and everything that she's done in a short span. And let me tell you, she's been unwell for the last 72 hours. So, that's like a big thing. It's the dedication from one woman to another. And I think we if today we were 25 or 30 of us, tomorrow, I think when we do another event, the numbers should just double up automatically. So thanks once again to all the sponsors, to Thailand Tourism, to Los Angeles Tourism, personally, Kunchalada, Rashna. Rashna was the one who was like, yes, I will take it forward. And Kunchalada has been really very supportive. Seema, once again, thank you. Thank you, Taj, for just, giving us this surprise, because we were surprised a day before when the prizes, I mean, the vouchers were announced, and it was all initiatives of Romi. So thank you once again, everybody. And yes, have a great evening with your family, with your friends, with your spouses. You can connect with any one of us. We are very approachable, anytime. Go ahead. And yes, great. It was great to meet all of you all. Nikita, I think you can now announce the winners.
Sure, definitely. So definitely it was a tough call. The criteria was you have to wear purple, you need to be on your brighter side, you need to, be smiling all the time. So I did see a lot of smiling faces, but my first choice would be Ashna for smiling all the time. I saw her smiling all the time. So I could see 32 white teeth as well, but with the lipstick, which was purple. Her dress, her entire attire is purple. So definitely that's my first choice. So Rashna, you win a stay for 2 at Taj. Congratulations. And everyone,
thank you very much, Nikita, Purvi, and everybody. This is like all my team together for all the 32 smiling. Thank you very much.
Perfect, great. And like I said, self-love is everything. So I'm also wearing purple all across. But the second one, and this comes straight from the heart, when I first saw Purvi with the dupatta, which was purple, and the purple lipstick, and I found it to be very exciting. And it was something that I although she's been a part of the committee, but in all fairness, I really felt that this looked really nice, and it was giving that very purplish womania look. So Purvi, you win a meal voucher for 2 at Taj Santa Cruz, courtesy Taj Santa Cruz. So congratulations for that.
Thank you, Nikita. But honestly, I would definitely want to give it to some other diva on this group, please.
Okay. So I have a third choice also. Thanks. That's being very nice. Yes. And if at all it's a third one, then I definitely like Pratiksha, because Pratiksha is again nicely. She's put an amazing purple lipstick, a purple T-shirt. So it definitely goes to Pratiksha. So Pratiksha, congratulations. You win a meal voucher for 2 at Taj Santa Cruz.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you. And thank you, Purvi. That was really wonderful.
Enjoy with whoever you want to take, your spouse or your boyfriend or your mother, your father, whoever.
But sure. Thank you so much.
In fact, good you said that, Puri, because I was about to say it, that Nikita, if you don't mind, and if Seema is still around, Seema, I'd appreciate it that my lovely Hollywood hamper can be going to somebody who was just next to me. And, you know, as a token of my warm gesture, I want to give it to a friend who, my Hollywood prize to somebody. So the next person, Purvi, who clicked with me or after me, I want to gift it as Women's Day special to that lovely girl.
Wow, now that's a tough call. And we'll have to go back and check it.
Okay.
Check it.
Okay. Just
I
girls
would
be online.
Suggest Mrunali because she's been there since the start. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Who typed Hollywood after me?
Who typed Hollywood after Rima? If somebody can just quickly give me a
Yeah, I am here. It was Pinky.
So if Pinky hasn't won before?
But Pinky has won before.
Pinky has won before. Yeah. Okay.
So third one?
Rima.
Archana has won.
Mrunali
is the next one.
Yeah,
Okay.
she's right.
So great.
Mrunali Kamble. Yes.
Okay. Congratulations, Mrunali.
Thank you, Puri. Thanks, Pratiksha.
Super.
Great, guys. What a fun evening. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here and sharing your smiles, your joys on such a lovely day. That's Women's Day. I mean, every day for me is Women's Day. I'm sure for all of you, but coming together and being a part here is something more special to me and to everyone, I'm sure. And thank you once again to Seema, to Kunchalada, to everyone who's Taj, Santa Cruz, to Purvi and to Rima, who have all been taken the initiative to be a part of it. Thanks once again from me.
Thank you.
Thank you. So
Thank
girls,
you.
I've sent you my mobile number. Whoever has won, please send me a personal message with your addresses so we can convey it to Thailand Tourism, Los Angeles Tourism, as well as to Taj. And we'll have your gifts, your vouchers delivered to your address.
Great.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Sorry, I
you.
was late because I had another event to attend. So I'm sorry I came in late.
But I'm glad you at least came in.
At least you came.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
girls.
Thank
you.
Thank you to everyone.
So good, that Purvi, you encouraged me to be here even though I'm late. Still, I'm not left from Virar, but I'm happy
It's
to be
okay
here.
now. Now you can take 3 hours to go back home. But I wanted you to play.
Good.
Thank
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Have a lovely
Happy Women's Day once again.
Happy Women's Day.
Women's Day, everyone.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.